vehicle.
With the initiative of Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited or Neepco, Shillong, will sponsor TB patients of Meghalaya for providing nutritional support to 250 persons with tuberculosis or TB undergoing treatment in the state. In this regard, a memorandum of agreement was signed between Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, Raj Bhavan, Meghalaya and Neepco at Raj Bhavan today. Speaking on the occasion, Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar called for a constitution of an expert committee to find out the root cause of TB in the state and in the country.
And you have been distributing food.
This is totally different. If at all patient is not aware, at least department should be aware. Medical practitioner should be aware. He must be in a position to say, Meghalaya is suffer out of TB only because of these reasons, basic reasons. Until unless you overcome with those issues and educate the people in that way, it is going to continue.